Okay, so B says if the speed of the spear at the bottom is that, and then the length of that is that, let us find the height and the incline angle theta there. So this one is pretty simple. If you have understood the first part, which is this part, then this part should be a piece of cake. And even if you haven't understood, you can still answer B minus understanding A. So just get the formula that they've given you. So this formula here, this is the speed at the bottom of the incline, which they have given us in the second question as what? They have given it to us as 5 meter per second. So we're going to say V is equal to root of 10 gh over 7, like that. Good. So we're trying to find what? We're trying to find the height. Yeah, because if I look at here, we have the velocity, we have the g, we're just trying to find the height. So we're going to say we're going to say what? We're going to say we're trying to make h the subject of the formula, so square both sides. So it's going to be v squared is equal to 10 gh over 7, and then after that we're going to say something like 7 v squared is equals to 10 gh, and then the h is equal to 10 v squared over, yeah, something like this. All right, so we need to punch this. So what do we have? We have the velocity, which is 5, and so we're going to say this 5 squared over 10 multiplied by 9.8. Yeah, so we need to punch this on a calculator. So we're going to say what do we have? So we have here, we come here. So we have a fraction that says 7 in the brackets of 5 squared, and then over 10 multiplied by 9.8. So our final answer there is what? Our final answer there is that. So h is going to be equal to 1.785. So I'm assuming this is going to be meters. Yeah, this should be meters. So this is your answer in meters. All right, so next thing that we need to find is the theta there, the angle theta there. So since we have that thing which is sort of like this right angle triangle, so this is that, so we can take this as a hypotenuse, and since our angle is here, we can take this as our opposite. We can take this as our adjacent. So what do we have? We have the length here, and then we also have the height here. So we can use sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, where we're going to say sine theta is equal to, the opposite is the capital letter H, the hypotenuse is the L, the length of the incline. So we're going to say this is equals to sine inverse of, the height that we found is 1.7 over the length of this guy that I've forgotten is 3. So yeah, so just plug in there, and then you should get an answer of what? Let me see if I can do it. Or where is that? Shift the sine inverse of 1.7 over 3. We close. So something like that. So it's supposed to be a 34.5 degrees, something like that. Yeah, something like that. So this is your answer.